You can find information about our new series of robot webinars under these links. Let me remind you about the concept of the RSA webinars. We will focus on one or several topics in order to discuss issues frequently submitted to the support team. We'll begin with the general introduction of the selected features of the program and develop these subjects further based on the feedback we'll receive from you after each of the presentations. Please mind that these webinars are not supposed to be training sessions. In this webinar, we'll cover the way to create a model which matches the requirements of the steel design module of robot. We'll get you familiar with the definition of loads and load combinations, and finally discuss the definition of parameters which govern code checking of steel elements of a structure. Again, please mind that this webinar is not a step-by-step guideline, but is intended to illustrate the principles of defining the right steel structure model and to explain the rules which govern the code checking of elements according to the selected steel design code. For the next webinar, we'll focus on the RC design model. Of robot. Regardless of the kind of a structure you design, it is extremely important easy definition of SLL limits for each of them.